This activity is all about borderline making. Here are the materials needed. First step, mount your paper properly. Make sure that your paper is aligned with your T-square, then after that is to put masking tape at the corners of your paper. Next step is to create a border with a measurement of 1/2 inch. Make sure to use your triangle and T-square properly in creating vertical and horizontal lines. After the borderline, let's start creating the title block. Measure 1 inch starting from the lower borderline going upward and then divide it into half. So 1/2 inch in order for us to have 2 rows for our title block. Use these markings to create horizontal lines in order for you to have the 2 rows for the title block. Next step is to create 3 columns for the title block. So the measurement for it is 3.5 inches starting from the left, borderline going to the center, and then starting from the right, borderline going to the center as well. Again, 3.5 inches. Now let's proceed in creating the guidelines for our title block. So measure 1/8 inch for each row on the upper and lower part of it. 1/8 inch for the upper part, 1/8 inch for the lower part of each row. Use this 1/8 inch markings in order for you to create light lines that will serve as our guideline for our lettering. After the guidelines, use your technical pen in outlining the border and the title block. Write the details in your title block and don't forget to use your technical pen again to outline each one of them. And make sure to erase all the guidelines as neatly as possible once you're done in writing all the details. Then that's it. You're done already with your borderline. Thank you for watching.